As the holiday season fills our homes with warmth and light, we're reminded of the spirit that bound the early Americans together, even in the most challenging times. For those living through the Revolutionary War, the holidays were often a time of reflection and resilience. Families and soldiers alike faced uncertainty and sacrifice, yet they found ways to hold on to hope. At places like Valley Forge, where soldiers endured harsh winters, it was unity and a shared purpose that helped them through. This season, we remember the spirit of unity that helped our nation take its first steps. The values of courage, family, and hope for a brighter future carried them forward and continue to inspire us today. In their challenges, we see echoes of our own. And as they persevered, so too can we, with gratitude for those who stood before us. In today's world, we may face different struggles, yet the strength and compassion that built this country remain as relevant as ever. Let this holiday be a reminder that we are stronger together, bound by a shared history and a shared hope. As we step into the new year, may we carry forward the resilience, kindness, and unity that have always defined us. From all of us at Echoes of Independence, we wish you peace, joy, and strength in the year ahead. May the spirit of those who fought for freedom inspire you this holiday season.